Did you know the green sea turtle is one of the most widespread marine turtles on Earth? Found in tropical and subtropical seas worldwide, these ancient reptiles glide gracefully through the oceans and return to sandy beaches to nest. Join me as we explore the fascinating world of the green sea turtle. Green sea turtle adults can measure up to 1.5 meters in shell length and weigh between 110 to 180 kilograms. Some giants of this species can even exceed 200 kilograms. Members of this species have a smooth, oval-shaped carapace. This carapace ranges from a rich olive green to dark brown, often patterned with radiating streaks or mottled patches. Interestingly, the species name doesn't come from the color of their shells, but from the greenish hue of its body fat. The head is relatively small with a single pair of prefrontal scales between the eyes, which are dark brown to black and framed by pale markings. They are typically 5 to 10 centimeters at hatching and have darker, almost black carapaces with white or light-edged scutes. As they mature, their shells gradually lighten and develop the characteristic olive and brown tones of adulthood. The green sea turtle has one of the widest distributions of any marine reptile, inhabiting tropical and subtropical oceans around the world. They're found in more than 140 countries, ranging through the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans, as well as the Mediterranean Sea. In the Pacific, key nesting sites include the Galapagos Islands, Hawaii, and Australia's Great Barrier Reef, while in the Atlantic, they breed along the coasts of Florida, the Caribbean, and West Africa. Despite their global presence, populations are fragmented, with distinct genetic groups tied to specific nesting regions. Green sea turtles are animals of both land and sea, though they spend nearly their entire lives in the ocean. They favor warm, shallow coastal environments such as lagoons, bays, and coral reefs where sunlight penetrates the water and seagrass meadows flourish. These areas provide both abundant food and calm waters ideal for resting. Juveniles and subadults often occupy more open pelagic zones, drifting with ocean currents until they grow large enough to settle in coastal feeding grounds. Adult females return to land only to nest, choosing sandy tropical or subtropical beaches, often the very same beach where they themselves hatched years earlier. The balance between these habitats, the open ocean, the coastal shallows, and the nesting beaches defines the life cycle of the green sea turtle. The diet of the green sea turtle changes dramatically as it grows. Hatchlings and juveniles are omnivorous, feeding on small invertebrates like jellyfish, crustaceans, and sponges as they drift through the open ocean. This varied diet helps them build strength and energy during their early, vulnerable years. As they mature, green sea turtles undergo a remarkable shift to a mostly herbivorous lifestyle. Adults graze on seagrasses and algae in shallow coastal waters, clipping the vegetation close to the seafloor like underwater gardeners. This feeding not only sustains the turtles, but also helps maintain healthy seagrass meadows which support countless other marine species. These turtles move through the ocean with a grace that seems almost effortless. Their powerful forelimbs have evolved into large paddle-like flippers perfectly designed for swimming long distances across open oceans. With slow, rhythmic strokes, they glide through the water. When cruising, they can reach speeds of around 2 to 3 kilometers per hour. When threatened, they're capable of short bursts exceeding 30 kilometers per hour. Their hind flippers act as rudders, allowing precise steering and control as they navigate reefs, currents, and coastal shallows. Grooming plays an important role in the health of these turtles, helping to keep their shells and skin free from parasites and algae. In the wild, this cleaning is often a cooperative act. Small reef fish such as wrasses and tangs pick away at the turtle's carapace, flippers, and neck, removing unwanted growths. Occasionally, turtles will also rub their shells against rocks, coral, or sandy seafloors to dislodge debris or barnacles. If you enjoyed learning about this remarkable reptile, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the natural world.